Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Terraform modules for data platform infrastructure, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have the latest version of Terraform downloaded and installed on your machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Create a new project directory by using the command dir data platform infra. Navigate into this directory with cd data platform infra. Now, initiate a new Terraform configuration by running Terraform init. Next, create a new file for your main configuration, named main.tf. Open main.tf with your preferred text editor. In this file, define the required Terraform provider block for your cloud platform. For example, if you are using AWS, start with provider AWS. Add your AWS region by specifying the region parameter within the provider block. Next, create a module block to encapsulate your infrastructure logic. For example, type module network to create a network module. Specify the source of the module by adding a source line within the module block, pointing it to the module's repository or local directory. Now, if your module requires variables, define those inside the module block by using the variable keyword. For instance, add vpc_sid equals 10.0.0.0/16 if your module needs a CIDR block for a VPC. Next, create a new directory for your module called network. Inside the network directory, create a main.tf file for the module's own configuration. Define resources within the module's main.tf such as VPC, subnets, and security groups based on your requirements. Make sure to include input variables for the module, which allows you to customize its behavior. Create a variables.tf file within the network directory and declare your input variables there. Add the respective types and descriptions to help understand what each variable does. Once the variables are defined, return to the main.tf file and pass the required values to the module when calling it. Next, validate your configuration with the command terraform validate to ensure everything is correct. If validation is successful, run Terraform plan to see the changes Terraform will make. Review the plan output carefully for any discrepancies or issues. Finally, execute Terraform apply to create the infrastructure as defined in your module. Monitor the output for any errors and confirm when Terraform completes. Once the process finishes, your data platform infrastructure is fully enabled using Terraform modules. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.